Hey guys, let's make a Jamaican Toto together. We're gonna go in with a stick of butter. Oops. This is actually 3/4. I'll put a little bit of extra in there. All right, so that's 2 extra tablespoons. Now we're gonna go in with a cup of brown sugar. We're gonna use our stand mixer to kind of combine the sugar and the butter. We'll start off low and slow. Off. All right, now we're gonna find some pimento berries. Now I'm gonna add some anise essence. We'll just grind this up. All right, let's see if everything is grounded properly. We'll just put this aside for later. All right, now we're gonna add 3 cups flour. 2 and 3. Now we're gonna add our grounded anise essence and pimento berries, allspice. Just now. That's it, roughly a tablespoon of cinnamon. Now we're gonna grate us some nutmeg. About 1 tablespoon. Now I'm going to add my coconut, which is about a cup of coconut flakes. Then I'm going to go in with some baking powder, 1 tablespoon baking powder. Then we're going to go in with 1 teaspoon table salt. We're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla, so I'm balling it, a tablespoon. Now we're gonna go in with a can of coconut milk, Goya coconut milk. We'll just pour our coconut milk in. Now, put our stand mixer to work. Let's lock it. You just turn it on slow and let it combine all the ingredients for us. Some people will put egg in their toto, but I refrain from putting eggs. I want it to be completely vegan, so no eggs. Now we're gonna grease our baking pan. Some people will use oil to grease their baking pan. I don't think nothing is wrong with that, but for toto, I prefer to use butter. Get some butter on my paper towel. Just do it the old-fashioned way. Just grease the baking pan all around, just like that. This is so easy to make. Literally, I've been working on this for about 15 minutes, and mind you, I'm recording and trying to move my tripod back and forth so I get different angle of view. So yeah, 15 minutes, less or less. I think I want to also flour my pan. Less likely the batter will stick if you flour, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of flour in the pan. All right, here goes a tablespoon of flour. And you just literally just hold it, do like this, shake it around. Easy breezy, easy does it. Shake it around. And you make sure the flour coat all the surfaces. I know a lot of people don't like to flour their pan, but to each his own. Everybody have their own preference, and it's just my preference to flour the pan. I think the results are usually better for me when, as far as getting the toto out the pan. And now I'll just shake out the excess flour. There it is. I think our batter should be well mixed right now, so we're going to turn this off. Let me get my spatula. With our spatula and just scrape off every single last bit of the batter off the mixer. This spatula, my good friend Julie gave this to me about 2 years ago. Julie, love you, big up yourself, thank you. Just twist, and then we just pour everything in there. I hope, yeah. Just pour all. Just get it out. Yeah, Toto is one of those desserts that in the Jamaican home, mostly on Sundays when I was growing up, you know, the older folks would make Toto as a nice little treat for themselves and for the children. And then we'd have that with some tea. And then Monday morning when you wake up, you have it again for breakfast. Toto can never go. Oh, that's our oven alarming. I'm just gonna shake it like this just to get everything a little bit even throughout the pan. And that's it. And there you have it, guys. Look at it. Toto, so easy to make. Go ahead and make it and tag me and let me know how your Toto came out. Alright, so we're gonna put this in the oven right now. We're gonna bake it at 380 degrees for roughly 40 minutes. Right, our Toto is ready. Alright, here it is. Lay it down right here on the counter. Came out beautiful. Now the finished product. Cool down for a minute. And we'll take it out of the pan and do that taste test. Alright, now our Toto is cooled down. Let's cut into it. Okay, slice. Just sliding our spatula right around to loosen up the corners. That's a good size plate right here. I'll put it on there. Beautiful. There it is. There it is. Can tell it's very moist. And for the taste test,